When it comes to wheel spacers, brands matter. Brands offer safety and reduce the risk of disappointment. High-quality brand spacers pay off big times in terms of reliability. This is especially critical when you frequently go off-roading. High-quality wheel spacers bring a level of reliability that also reduces maintenance costs. Real wheel spacers from reputable companies are always the safety option. Companies that provide quality, well-made wheel spacers invest a hefty sum in designing and testing their product. Years of research and development make their wheel spacers safer and more reliable. So, general brand wheel spacers are exactly safe for daily driving and off-roading. It is proven that as long as you use high-quality wheel spacers and install them properly, there will be no safety issues. BONOSS brand wheel spacers strive to maintain top quality and the best user experience. Designed with longevity and consumer safety in mind, BONOSS promises an uncompromised fit, finish, and level of quality. Apart from the base functions of spacers, BONOSS wheel spacers provide more practical features. For example, the FT cooling function, distribute impact shape. These heat dissipation grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. These FT cooling wheel spacers are designed to make brake cooling better. In order to distinguish the real BONOSS wheel spacers and protect customers' interest, BONOSS has built a complete authentication system. When you get BONOSS wheel spacers, check the authentication code on the package. Then compare these numbers with BONOSS official stores database. If they don't match, they are not general BONOSS products. It is always good to use genuine brand wheel spacers. Each BONOSS general wheel spacers is BONOSS in grade. These wheel spacers are made in BONOSS own factory, so the quality is well guaranteed. Besides, general wheel spacers are covered by the manufacturer's warranty. Good quality is guaranteed to perform well and last for the life of the vehicle.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day!